Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. Welcome to adding fine details on the horns. Again, using the same process, the process of taking the color map, color texture that we painted in our previous lectures, and then using that to generate a bump or normal map to apply on the surface of the mesh. Not actually applying it, but then creating that illusion that we have those fine details. Sweet. Now, what we're gonna do? Doing the same process, I'm going to select one of the horns. These horns have the same UVs, these smaller ones also. Select this bigger one, and I'm going to control 1, add a subdivision surface at level 1, and I'm going to right click and shade smooth. Kind of makes sense. Go to your shading tab to get your materials. Just move upwards. Look at that horn. Yep, this view is perfect. And then here we have the color map, and now we need to drag this color and to the bump height slot, and then drag the normal to the normal, and then bam, you have your details. Again, this is a bit overboard. 0.3 for muscle, 0.3, could say 0.2, 0.25, 0.2. Yep. Just give it that very subtle detail. As you can see over here, kind of helps. Look at that. Look at those details. It was looking very nice. Again, you can play around with the strength as you please. In this case, I'm gonna click the material. Let's name this horns. So we can just keep track of these materials. Now, what I like about this, now it's a matter of just selecting each and every other horn. You see they don't have any subdivision surface, but they are using the same material. You just press Ctrl 1. That worked. Anyway, make sure you're in the viewport. Press Ctrl 1. Change the render to render 1, and then right click shade smooth. And then grab the other ones, the smaller ones. These ones, same process. Ctrl 1. Oh my word. Select the wrong one. I selected the body. Okay, now cut that. Ctrl 1. Turn down the render. Right click this fella, shade smooth. And then that's about it for this guy. This guy, same process. Right click shade smooth. Dial down the render to 1. And here add 1 subdivision. We don't need a lot anyways. It's just not to fix our system. Yeah. Select this guy. Ctrl 1. Dial down the render. Right click shade smooth. So those are the nails details that have been applied to the rest of them. So we made just one setup, and this material is applied to the rest of these horns. So again, that's all I did for this lecture. Control S to save a command, and I will see you guys in the next one.